Welcome. If you want to let Messenger use your location so you can share where you are with friends or get the most out of Messenger's features, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to allow location access on Messenger, step by step, using your phone's settings. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head over to your main settings menu. This is where you can control all the permissions and preferences for your apps, including Messenger. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps, or sometimes it might be called App Management depending on your device. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now, look through the list and find the Messenger app. Once you spot it, tap on Messenger to open its settings. Inside Messenger's settings, you'll see a menu called Permissions. Go ahead and tap on Permissions. This is where you control what Messenger can access, like your camera, contacts, and of course, your location. Find the option labeled Location and tap on it. Here, you'll see different choices for how Messenger can use your location. To enable location sharing, select Allow Location Access. On some phones, you might see options like Allow only while using the app, Ask every time, or Don't allow. For the best experience, choose Allow only while using the app. This way, Messenger can access your location only when you're actively using it, keeping your privacy in mind while still letting you share your location when you want to. That's it. You've now successfully allowed location access for Messenger. The next time you want to share your location in a chat, Messenger will be able to use your phone's GPS to pinpoint where you are. If you ever want to turn off location access, just follow these same steps and select Don't allow. It's quick and easy to manage your privacy whenever you need. Thanks for following along. Now you're ready to share your location on Messenger with just a few taps.